Amo my people, how on a day? So today we are not doing any Ammie, but make saga rest some more. Let's settle this matter. Among these 4 TikTokers, no, they are actually 6, Jadolita and one girl again. Let's rate the best and accurate tiger role, the person that did it very well. I will be tagging them by their names to make it easy. So watch closely and watch to the very end for you to choose your favorite and the best person. Not your favorite, the best person that ate up this challenge. Welcome back, guys. So which of them did it for you, like the best of best? All of them tried, yes, but there is this particular person that outdid herself. Drop your opinion and the name of the person in the comment section. Let's go, guys. I love you all. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.